So this is 9th of April 2024, and what we are looking at is it's almost 3 o'clock. It's 2:49. We're looking at ES. ES just dropped. Took that London sell side, took that sell side as well. Liquidity tapped into this new week overnight gap. And I'm trying to get in. I'm trying to get in somewhere. This is 1 minute chart. This is 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart. Trying to get in somewhere here, 38. I can see a little bit of liquidity at 38, 37, 36. I'll be getting in, scaling in into this trade if I can see, if we ever get down there, basically. Because that might not happen. It's a very quick move to the downside. They tried the second time, third. And technically speaking, this is displacement. I will be waiting for return to this fair value gap, which I have here.
At 3 p.m. Eastern Time, we get the US Treasury second quarter total borrowing.
We'll see.
Order cancelled.
That's the fair value gap on 1 minute. I switched to 1 minute here. I got 5 minutes here because I noticed that these fair value gaps, the 1 minute fair value gaps, they are played all the time. So you have to be quick with your decision. Yeah, that's another fair value gap. We just took that. But I'm interested more in this one. Especially that there is a little bit of liquidity here. And one, like an order block on 1 minute. All right. Let's see if we can get it. Cheaper price. Tick chart dropping to 0. Try to get in with one here. It's a 5 MES contract. Maybe here. Because potentially market can go up there because we have a lot of liquidity on the buy side. We could go up there. Yeah. Yeah. Well, it's not dropping lower. Maybe now. 38, 32. It's gonna have to be 6 points stop loss. We do have liquidity down here as well, so you have to bear in mind that they could pull market lower. If I look on NQ has drawn the liquidity at the open. They have done it at the open. So there's a possibility we could go down there. That would be 32. 32. It's this liquidity here. And 28. Let's see if we have anything. Okay, we don't have anything at 28. Don't see anything at 28. Six more minutes. We'll try to catch this as slow as possible. If we can get it.
So in 5 minutes' time now, at the top of the hour, the US Treasury are to release their second quarter total borrowing.
Holding. 5 more minutes. It's going up. Okay. They took that minor liquidity here. Basically 5 minutes. There's a 15 minutes candle up here. And fair value gap. Minute. Yeah, that was just a pure robbery drop. Whoever was building longs got taken out here. So yeah, so we do have this fair value gap at 36. 36. There's another fair value gap here. Between this and that. Six. Let's see if we can get down. Let's just mark that. $56. Yeah. I don't think we're gonna get down there. Market is pushing higher. 58 past 2 or 3. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's 3 o'clock. 1 minute till 3 o'clock.
So we're shortly expecting the release of the US Treasury's second quarter total borrowing.
Order cancelled.
It's too empty now. Now we're expecting some data.
Protect your trades from macro headline risk with Financial Juice Pro. Now only 9.
Let's wait. There we go. Whoops.
So the US Treasury reiterates a cash balance estimate of $750
gosh.
billion for the end of June, as the Treasury has released its quarterly borrowing estimates in Washington, cites lower cash receipts for bigger borrowing estimates. So the US boosts its April and June borrowing estimate to $243 billion. And that's from 202.8 from $202 billion.
Gonna wait.
So again, just to repeat there, the US boosts its April and June
might go
borrowing
to this
estimate to
low.
$243 billion from $202 billion, but does reiterate its cash balance
So we
estimate of
got this
$750
36.
billion at the end of
Fair
June.
value gap. Markets.
Looking to the markets, a little bit of weakness in the S&P 500 and a bit of strength in the dollar there,
20 is
as the US has
another level.
boosted its April to June borrowing
Celtic
estimate.
sell side. But are we going to take that? Let's see. I'm gonna go long.
Order filled.
One package long here. We're gonna enter the second one a bit lower. If I see it. Target is pretty much tops. Tick chart got down to minus 1,000.
So we've posted the Treasury's release of the marketable borrowing estimates on the feed
We
for
might
anyone
actually
interested.
go. We might go lower.
Order cancelled.
Let me just try to catch this a bit.
Order submitted.
Better price. Somewhere. Just when we take the low. 27, 28. Something we can have. Let's see how far we're gonna go. Go a bit lower to grab that sell side liquidity. Okay.
Order
let's get in.
filled. Order cancelled.
We are approaching fair value gap, which is here.
Seeing
I don't wanna
continued
leave a
dollar
little bit of
strength.
space
Dixie
here.
still down on the session. It's
That's
down
the fair value gap we
0.41%.
just approached. We are tapping into this order block.
The S&P
Which I
500
like.
also continuing its downwards trend, down 0.15%.
Order filled.
More of the value and of the order block. Let's see how market's gonna behave right now. Should come back to the sell side RTH, that's for sure. 28. This is where I'm gonna close my trade. First entry. Oh, we're gonna drop completely. Let's see. They're gonna buy this or not? Bear in mind that we have earnings today. So that's a beautiful place to buy. The cheapest moment of the day. Are we going to hold this? Yeah. Mm.
Order filled.
Add one more for the second entry. If you look to the left, we have some trapped shorts here getting out. It's a very risky trade, but we might have the best entry. Alright. Let's push a bit higher. I'm gonna close this
Order
first
submitted.
5, which was a bit too early with the first 5. Let's go. One tickler.
Order canceled.
Alright. Let's hold the rest. Well, actually, it will not. We're gonna take
Order
one,
canceled.
another package, and this one we're gonna hold. Yeah. See if it's gonna work or not. We do have, if you look closely, we have just created a fair value gap, bullish one. And what I might do, I might be
Order
getting
filled.
out slowly, one by one. But I want to get out too quickly. That's going to be
In 10
break-even
minutes time
trade.
now at 3:20
If we
p.m.
break that
Eastern time,
bullish, fair value gap, we're
ECB's
gonna
Vice
go
President
anyway.
de Guindos is due to give remarks
So,
at a dinner at the Royal Automobile Club, organised by the Euro 50
I
Group
remove
in
costs
London, UK. No
from
indication
the
of a
trade
text or a
and
Q&A from ECB's de Guindos in
let's leave
just
it
under
now.
10 minutes time now.
And if this trade works as it's supposed to, let's quickly have a look here. Then this is 15-minute chart. So we took sell side liquidity, we took London's sell side liquidity, we took basically everything. That works fine. That was this fair value gap that we basically tapped into. Fair value gap from Friday. And in 29 minutes, we might be somewhere here. And then another half an hour, we might be selling into this buy side liquidity up here. I will close my trade the moment we reach this one. I will be basically taking partials on the way up. I might just leave the runner here. But yeah, we might take that, we might not take that. We're probably gonna take all of it. But the difference between 52 and 54 is just, there's only 2 points, so I'm not gonna be worried about squeezing 2 extra points, you know. From here, my entry is 120. So if I can get 52, that's 32 points. I don't need more than that on this trade. Already took around $200 on that, I guess. Oh shit, that's a simulator. Okay now. Oh. Well, anyway, let's have a look if that trade would work on simulator. What I'm gonna do, if we get in here, I'm gonna step in.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Try to get 10 contracts here.
Order
Do that
canceled.
like this,
Order
like this,
submitted.
and like that.
Order
So I
submitted.
basically spread the cost, you know, hoping that we're gonna get a week. It's gonna take me not much difference, 1 point difference. Let's see if that's gonna happen or not. To be honest, I should get in even here. But that's chasing. Made a big mistake, not looking, not checking what I'm trading, which account I'm trading. Yes, that's the fair value gap I'm expecting to come back. 24. Yeah, probably not gonna give me that. There you go. we might have kind of similar situation like here, push and then let it drop, or like push here and let it drop. What happened? What a shame. Let's simulate. Because that was a brave entry. And I am actually, $200 on that. 280 altogether. If I closed it. I'm gonna keep that simulated just to just to see how would it work. But any pullback into fair value gap, I wanna buy. Yeah, you see, and it doesn't give you the other, and it doesn't give you a second chance to get in. You need to be very quick with this stuff. This fair value gap might just be opened here and will not be revisited. What do we have today? Tomorrow is Amazon. Let's see if I'm gonna get that. 24.18, that's 6 points. $25 is what it did. Definitely, we have liquidity here. Here. So what an entry. Beautiful. $20 drop. And they were dropping into this fair value gap. So like if you think like why did you get this trade? Well, it's the trade. Here. Fair value gap. Went through it, but all the bodies are closed above. Yeah. So this imbalance has been served.
Shortly expecting comments from ECB's de Guindos.
Shanghai. So I was here, that full volume up, yes. Was here. I don't think I will get my price anymore. I don't think so.
Order cancelled.
ECB's de Guindos says still work to be
So
done
let's
on
watch this
inflation.
simulated
Says we're
trade.
heading in the right direction.
It should bring me up here. That's the first target. So we have 4 contracts. We will close 2 here.
Order submitted.
We're gonna close 1 here, just in front of it.
Order submitted.
As well here, 1 tick below. I know what you're gonna say, 2 and through. Yes, that. This is what I do. And then we have this one up there. That's it. It's just waiting game now. Yep.
ECB's de Guindos says services inflation slowdown has stalled.
Do you want to stay up to date with the latest and be on the bleeding edge of news for non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today and get our special offer of Financial Juice Pro for a year's worth of our service for the price of 1 month and save 92%.
Trade near the current levels in the next months. ECB's de Guindos says wage growth shows signs of easing. ECB's de Guindos says the 2% price goal is to be hit in 2025, but substantial risks. ECB's De Guindos says the geopolitical situation poses upside risks to inflation. ECB's De Guindos says stronger transmission may produce downside surprises.
A little bit of hiccup here.
ECB's De Guindos says economic activity is gradually improving.
Shop
So that's
now,
economic activity
chop around
gradually
here for a
improving.
while, and then we're gonna go.
And De Guindos adds that consumer spending should strengthen. ECB's De Guindos says risks to the growth outlook are elevated and tilted to the downside. ECB's De Guindos reiterates that he's not pre-committed to a particular rate path.
All right. So I'm gonna wait. It's just a waiting game. Got half an hour. I want the market to push through this high. We'll see how far we're gonna go. Okay. 28 more minutes. So this drop down here was just basically a robbery, nothing else. They went down there to grab all the liquidity. POC is here. Market will get back to POC. We're not continuing lower. These are this kind of drops, and then you get a nice push up, like here. Again, might end up at 52. Selling into this 52. Yep. Still space to go higher. And then this liquidity. And this one up here. Yeah, this first nog was not a good place. I realized that we may just drop lower. Yeah, that was a good decision. If we drop somewhere here, I'm actually gonna go now. I don't think we'll drop down there, but who knows? We might get lucky. I guess swing low.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted.
Let's see. Liquidity is... There's not much liquidity here, that's the problem.
Order canceled.
I'll tell you something. Simulator.
Order filled.
That's 342 on simulator. Let's see if we can catch this on Apex evaluation account. If we get that. yeah, I'll stop this video here. And if we get the cheaper price, I decide to get in, I'll start to record it again. So at the moment, we're just gonna wait. Okay, so as you can see, we never got that pullback into fair value gap. Therefore, no trade for me. And we'll most likely tap into this liquidity now. As I can see, 145, even 155. So let's see if by the end of the day, the last 6 minutes, market will push there. This is the place where I wanted to close 2 contracts. Well, it was simulated, so I didn't care. I was hoping for a drop here first. But it never happened. If I got that drop, oh, there we go. Now we're just selling into this liquidity. So this is the place where 2 contracts will be closed. And another one here, and the last one will be there. As I can see, we have liquidity up to 47, 50, and 55. So 47, 50, 52. Last 5 minutes. Well, anyway, we made $342. I did make today as well. 485 today on my evaluation account. So on the first on the silver bullet trade, I dropped the video already. If you're interested, you can have a look. It's a silver. It's called, the video is called ES Futures Monday 29th of April. No, that's not what I was looking for. That's the one. ES Futures ICT Silver Bullet Setup Monday AM session. So you can watch that if you want, if you're interested. So yeah, that will be 2 contracts off here, and 1 contract there, and 1 contract over there. Market most likely will push into that liquidity. As you can see, we got another 3 minutes. And there you go. Got the push. Still, one more contract would be close here. If we kept that simulator, but we didn't. But anyway, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. This is Drop Trader from London. Take care. Be safe out there.